Looking for the best laundry detergent pods? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 laundry detergent pods on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3, Persil Pro Clean Power Caps. Has a fresh scent without being overpowering. Pods are great at getting even deep stains out of clothing. These dissolve reliably in the wash and don't leave any sticky or soapy residue. Persil Power Caps are tough on stains and deliver a subtle yet refreshing scent that is long-lasting well after a wash. Comes in smaller quantity than other options. At number 2, Almighty Pacs Free Clear for sensitive skin. Ideal for those with sensitive skin, as these pods are free of fragrance and dyes. Since these pods are made for sensitivity, they're safe to use on most baby and children's clothes. Works well for everyday laundry and sanitizing clothing. This pod's 2-pack, enough for 134 loads, is a reliable way to clean clothes without triggering any allergic reactions for those with sensitive skin. Is not the best for getting out deep stains. At number 1, Gain Flings Laundry Detergent Pacs. This detergent does an impressive job softening fabric and brightening whites and colors. Pods are accompanied by the citrusy and amber scent of Gain that many love. Available in a tub of 81 pods, these don't leave a soapy residue on clothing. There's no measuring or pouring needed with these convenient pods, and their fresh smell and no stress, no mess nature makes them a winner. Child-proof packaging can be tough for even adults to open. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.